In this one, I'm going to be going over how to go... In this one, I'm going to be going over how to make one of my favorite salsa verdes for breakfast tacos. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I noticed that 90% of you guys aren't subscribed, so subscribe to the channel. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a very special salsa that I really love on a breakfast taco. So it's mainly tomatillo based.
The fuck's tomatillo?
What's a tomatillo? This is a tomatillo. It's not to be mistaken with like a green tomato. It's a lot firmer than a green tomato. Obviously, it's got this like outer shell here, unlike a green tomato, which has leaves, and it's very sticky to the touch. Anyways, for this salsa, it's like more of a creamy base. You'll see as we get to it. So, first off, some jalapeno. Just gonna destem all of them and then just cut them in half like that. Then the next pepper is gonna be serrano. And then I'm just gonna slice it right down the middle. Then just a couple onions. On a sheet tray like this, I already lined this with bacon fat. You can use oil. Garlic, and then our tomatillos. Then just toss this guy into the oven. So this is what it should look like when it comes out. You could go a little darker actually. So I'm just gonna add a bunch of cilantro with the stems, then some lime juice. Now the lime juice is just to taste, so when you're done blending this, you can add some more later on. Salt to taste as well. And this is what makes the salsa very special. This is the crema. It's like a Mexican cream. You can find this in the Mexican aisles at most grocery stores. All right, give it a taste. Salsa verde crema.
Sweet.
Sweet.